Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about triplets and rolls. So first I'm just going to show you how to do the triplets and the rolls, and then later on I will show you how to incorporate them in the actual tune types. So I'm going to start with the triplets first, and a triplet is made up of 3 beats. So it's triplet, 1, 2, 3. If you are fairly new at triplets, I would suggest that you use a tipper like this one that has a more surface area at the end, because it will be a lot easier to get the triplets. But use a tipper that is more comfortable for you. And also, the trick, in my opinion, about triplets and rolls is that you have to be very relaxed. Your wrist has to be very relaxed, and also you have to remember to follow through. You'll see what I mean in a little bit. So let's get started with the triplets. So I'm going to just do the triplets with the tipper that I usually use, and I will make a video on tippers for you. It's on the works. So because we're only learning how to do the triplets, I would suggest that you just put your hand here and you just press a tiny little bit just to make it a little bit more crisp. So what you want to do first is you want to do just a normal regular downstroke. So if you can see, this end is kind of always pointing in that direction, like out. So then what you want to do for the second stroke, you want to put this side of the tipper towards you, and then you hit the skin. So it's gonna be down, and then you're gonna use the other end. So it's down and the other end. But then what you don't want to do is that. You want to follow through. You want to use the momentum and the force of your downbeat to twist your wrist. And the way I think about it is like if it was a doorknob. So if you are opening a door, you usually do it to your right, and then you open the door. So now imagine that you have to turn the knob to the left. That's kind of how it feels for me to do the triplets. That kind of movement here in my wrist. So then what you want to do is use the force of the momentum of your downstroke to twist your wrist. So the doorknob will be right here to the left. So follow through. That's very important, to follow through. So down, follow through, down, follow through, down, follow through. And I would suggest that you practice that and you get used to it, used to like that awkward twisting movement before you add the third beat. So after you're really comfortable with this, then you can just follow through, and it kind of sounds quite smooth. Then add the third beat. And the third beat, what you're gonna do is, once your second beat, you're gonna end here. So you have this side kind of facing out now. So what you want to do is then you just want to do a regular upstroke with this end, like that. So it's gonna be down, follow through, up, 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 down, follow through, up. So it's triplet, triplet, triplet. And once you get a little bit more comfortable with that, you can start speeding up. So triplet, triplet, follow through, triplet, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, triplet, triplet, triplet. So that's it for the triplets. Now for the rolls. Rolls are made up of 4 beats. So it's basically a triplet and a downstroke. So it's the same thing. You're going to do the same thing that you did with the triplet. So down, follow through, up. But after the up beat, then you're just going to do a normal down stroke. So it's going to be down, follow through, up, down. Down, follow through, up, down. Down, follow through, up, down. So if you are doing 2 rolls together, you're going to have the down beat, you're going to do like 2 downs, because the last beat is a down beat, but the first one is also a down beat. So it's going to be down, follow through, up, down, down, follow through, up, down. Down, follow through, up, down, down, follow through, up, down. So it's triplet down, triplet down, triplet down, triplet down. Down, follow through, up, down, down, follow through, up, down, down, follow through, up, down. Yeah, so that's for the rolls. Now, what I would suggest after that, just so that you can be comfortable, just try to play with the both of them. So try to go back and forth, maybe put different emphasis and pauses in between them, just so that you can get a little bit more comfortable and your wrist can be a little bit more loose. So it could be something like So I hope this helps. The biggest thing for me is that just to be really relaxed on your wrist, and then once you do it, it's like I know what my hand is doing. It's like muscle memory. I know how it feels to do a good triplet, or like I know how my fingers feel and how my hand feels and my wrist feels when I'm doing a triplet, and it's like I always come back to that when I think of a triplet. So it's just to kind of get a bit more comfortable and relax with it. And really good person to look is Colin Murphy. He has really good crisp and clear triplets and rolls, so if you want to check him out. So yeah, I mean, I hope this helped. As I said, after this I would make a video in the future of how you can incorporate the triplets and the rolls into actual tunes, like jigs or reels or hornpipes and things like that. And I haven't forgotten, I still have to do the hornpipe video. I just thought this would be a better video to do first for you. So yeah, if you have any more questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So Merry Christmas and happy 2018. Bye guys.